In this tutorial, we'll learn how to switch between auto and manual modes in Present in Oracle Analytics Cloud. Using auto mode or manual mode in Present determines what type of changes you can make to the presentation flows, canvases, and visualizations. Auto mode synchronizes your presentation with the Visualize tab, reflecting all changes made there. Manual mode is useful when you need to reorder canvases, rename them, or rearrange visuals for a specific audience without changing the original analysis layout. In this scenario, I have a product analysis workbook covering financial and supply chain analysis that I want to present to an executive in a more curated format. To begin, I'll select Edit, and then the Present tab. By default, a workbook presentation flow is in auto mode, meaning that I cannot rename or reorder canvases, and I cannot drag or resize visualizations. The canvas design and layout match what was defined on the Visualize tab. The only customization I can do in auto mode is to hide a canvas. I'll select the lock icon to switch to manual mode so I can customize the presentation. A warning appears stating that manual changes will be out of sync with Visualize. I'll review the warning and click OK. Next, I can update my supply chain canvas to emphasize the visuals my executive cares about most. I'll move the tree map to the bottom and align the 3 bar charts with the donut chart, placing the most important metrics front and center. I'll also adjust the tree map size for a cleaner look by dragging its top boundary. I want the supply chain analysis to be the first canvas in my presentation, so I'll reorder the canvases by dragging supply chain to the left of financial analysis. I will open the financial analysis canvas. This layout looks good, but I also want a focused version just for seasonality. In manual mode, I can duplicate the canvas by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate Canvas. In the duplicated canvas, I'll remove the visuals I don't need, so the page focuses only on the seasonality bar charts. And I'll rename the canvas to Seasonality. Now that I've customized my presentation, I can return to the Visualize tab and see that my original canvases and visuals remain unchanged. To preview what my audience will see, I'll select Preview and see the canvases exactly as I arranged them in manual mode. Since I've switched to manual mode and customized my canvases, I can present my workbook in an executive-ready format without redesigning my original Visualize canvases. Finally, if I want to return to the default format that matches the Visualize tab, I can switch back to auto mode by selecting the lock icon again. A warning will tell me which manual-only pages will be removed, and I can select OK to confirm and revert if needed. By switching from auto to manual mode in Present, I've been able to reorder and rename canvases and rearrange visuals to create a presentation that's tailored for my audience, without changing the original layout in the Visualize tab. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud in the links below.